Alright, so we're back here. I'd say I've been under here for about an hour or so. And like I said, I cut that off. It's probably kind of hard to see. But yeah, I cut that off right there. So it wouldn't be in front of the header. And kind of massage that. Doesn't look so pretty, but it's going to be underneath the truck, so yeah, these things ain't thought out too well, but hey, what's life without Lindsay? So we'll go ahead and take a look underneath the rest of this truck here and show you what a dirty old S10 looks like. 94. This is what I used for a fuel pump. Works fantastic. Trusty old zip ties. And yeah. All this stuff was new. This, everything, front springs, all the bushings, everything, and all the suspension is pretty much new. Looks a little dirty, but you know, it is what it is. Here's the rear end. Like I said, I took this stock rear end out of another S10 99, and it already had the 410 gears in it. We put a locker in it, and had 3-inch blocks on here, which set the rear end a little too low, so we took the 3-inch off and put a 1-inch block on. And I guess later on we'll be doing more. So if there's something you'd like to know or anything, just like, subscribe, yeah, all that fun stuff. So thanks everybody for watching. Videos will get better in time. We'll get a better camera. So thank you, and we're out.